We are a sanctuary island. The animals really aren't scared. You'll see coyotes walking down the street.
Sanibel's the shelling capital of the world.
We've got beautiful beaches all the way around the island.
It is paradise. Yeah.
I have 37 years in the telco industry. My role here in Southwest Florida is the responsibility to construct the quantum fiber build.
We have an opportunity to have a more reliable network, and it'll carry us into the future.
Quantum fiber is bringing them high-speed internet, the next generation of options.
Our natural vegetation attenuates storm activity. So we wanted to make sure that we respect the environment.
We do pre-construction site walks, and that is street by street. We've had as many as 18 people on site. We identify native vegetation, the gopher tortoises, the bald eagles. Those are the ones that impact our construction build. So the City of Sanibel DNR team, they guide us and make sure we don't have any negative impacts to the environment. We've had to adjust 12 to 15 times in the last few months. It could be one street, it could be an entire city block. Being on a small island with small right-of-ways and small roadways, between the hurricane rebuilding, the wildlife, the traffic impacts, it's very challenging at times. And we partnered with the city to make sure that we put the product in with the quality in mind, minimal impacts as far as traffic, safety, and if we can build in the city of Sanibel, we can build quantum fiber anywhere in the country.